Alright, we have here Chef Fernie. How you say hi?
Hey,
One of Chef Fernie's creations today. I'll show you. What do you call this, Chef?
This looks like a mess, but this over here is my roasted chicken over spicy lemon zest with some julienne peppers and some broccoli cheddar sauce.
Man,
rice.
look at that. Isn't that delicious? Damn. And over here we have the rest of the family already pigging out. Hey babe, say hi.
Hi.
What? That doesn't sound too exciting. Let me see it again.
Hi.
Okay. Then here we got our baby Leo. Hi, sweeties.
Hi.
What's going on? How you enjoying your buffet right there?
Yes, it's really
Delicious. And then what is the cucumber water? What is that?
good. Cucumber lemonade.
Ooh, delicious. All right. Well, this is a night with the family casas right here. And this is Sholo talking. See you later. Enjoy.